Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into Canon error code E00030000, a common issue that can pop up on your Canon printers or scanners in 2025. If you're scratching your head over this error, don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First off, what does error code E00030000 actually mean? This code typically signals a problem with the device's internal hardware or software communication. It could indicate issues like a faulty sensor, overheating, or even a glitch in the printer's firmware. In simple terms, your Canon machine is saying, "Hey, something's not right. Let's pause and fix this." Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error often stems from everyday problems such as paper jams, low ink or toner levels, or dust buildup inside the printer. Other culprits might include outdated firmware, loose connections, or even power supply issues. If you've recently moved your printer or experienced a power outage, that could be the trigger. The good news is, fixing this error is usually straightforward. Start with the basics. Turn off your Canon device, unplug it from the power source, and wait about 30 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This simple reset can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, check for any physical obstructions. Open the printer cover carefully, remove any jammed paper, and ensure all parts are clean and properly aligned. Next, update your printer's firmware by visiting Canon's official website, downloading the latest software for your model, and installing it as per the instructions. For more advanced troubleshooting, try connecting your printer to a different power outlet or USB port if it's a connected device. If the error persists, it might be time to run a diagnostic test through your printer's settings menu or contact Canon support for professional help. Remember, prevention is key. Regularly clean your printer, keep your software updated, and avoid overloading the paper tray. That way, you can minimize these errors in the future. There you have it, your complete guide to fixing Canon error code E00030000. I hope this video saved you time and frustration. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.